Memobibia Akwaba at the Eba GH Live Studio. Your number one channeler. You deal with our local football, especially Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. More update from Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Or more last trainer. Or more ahead of more any Basiki Holy Stars gamer Sunday Ebekoso Ewo Baba Nyara Sports Stadium. Midin edit Nanaba Kwame. So there's the live report from Atako Judge. Now Kotoko and Saturday anopa ana omo last training section. And this training added a lot of information and a one day. After this episode, the next episode is going to be the gamer Krobio Kumasias the squad, the squad Krobio Kumasia Sante Kotoko Timuno Eddie Kwakushia Basike Holy Stars plus the possible lineup omo Eddie Ebebo game ana mede ebebrew enso ewa ha se megide so bia enso eho ya ye de live report ni na enso ede ebrew hasna enne anopa training omo ye na nya training gidigidi bia training na eta form omo hwese de omo ahoden ene how a omo prepare towards the game. Na bad news ewo kotoko training grounds and say 6 players entimi enginam Emma Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So 6 players enye available. And again, one player needing Eddie Emmanuel Cortidier was starting a rehab and also enye available. So let me put it in this way: say 7 players. In all, 7 players will not be available against Basike Holy Stars. Edinti and players are me Bebu Bomudi omo enye available at the Macrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ahead of Homo Gamer omo any Basike Holy Stars. But before say Mura sa in same nemono Mamemfa and the training sem emfa emona and then you could do Kotoko training grounds one players nina no ya available, they are there. And now almost a year train to Tumrika Kakra and so on from Thursday. Wisdom Bossy Fernando to Tumrika 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes in Rika now or caught no waba Sanso and a Pitami do aqua now what it dug out. But the other players now we are available no. Obunyina also a trainer the new tactics coach Ogum Chiramo also our training grounds omo use holm the shooting need there Makacho said this time Kotoko shooting almost started shooting from the back may catch say players ready and they are doing their best to say the coach our training grounds biano omo ebefa game bia any game planner omo edi a game and so our coach Ogum any players no omo relationship omo comedy players no relationship omo comedy and so good. Now before the game coach Ogum and so the same be ebeto abonte na nsem no worka edi akire Kotoko supporters mo hwemie na mo tie mesisi na se munya abotere na mo mama koma ntomoyem na more games e wo ho no menim se osu onim se mo hwehwe win this time we are not getting it due to some injuries and the suspensions players no ebi enya yenti no ne affect your friend say Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko team ne pa but me no ka say the team no eguso a omo prepare towards Basike Holy Stars gamer omo ba no don be nyom betimi ayi bia na omo etimi win game no eti ama Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no na Basike Holy Stars game and I kind information and I'll say made news abroad say from 12 to 1 o'clock happy hour ebe juma so you have to be fast so oba she game ni bia now I fast 20 cedi 50 cedi 70 cedis oba no the sika show bottom obedu gate wa ni ebe catch say ye no na wa ye e go say ye di machine hwehwe ho a na was one machine hwehwe ho police for be inspector wa don be bia no na was wa hwe na omo aye said ye be ya enkofa in some problems ɛnso ɛmfa mmerɛ korɔ bia Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no enti ɛnɛ trainer ɛkɔɔ so ɛwɔ Adako Judge no it wasn't trainer na ɛyɛ gidigidi bia but na ɛyɛ skilled training ɛyɛ trainer ɔmo approach a ɔmo de ɛwura game no ɔmo tactics a coach Ogum ɛde ɛwura game no mu sɛ players no ɛyɛ okay with data ɛno ana ɔmo kɔ training grounds ɔmo kɔyɛ ho adwuma ɛnɛ den bibia ɛyɛ kama. Sometimes, people want me to bring out the tactics near, and so I want, but about the sign about affected team, and so I will baby. And I am person, did some story in any course or our training grounds, editing in a but met me assure say, Kotoko team, this time, almost shooting from the back, and no, the Kia coach Ogum Gusua. Or the players and said the beya almost ebinya the confidence now omunya born on which means shooting from the back, especially the midfielders Baba Yaya Justice Blay in team menu Che Dramana Abranti and the Eddie Isaac Minta Samson Eduku na strikers and so Kwame Poku and so shooting also goes Endra na training Kotoko na shooting the course of pass, especially Abranti and the Patrick Asiedu and Daniel Adrana Chete and at this time omo take Kotoko omo set pieces and paying the same thing na Koso and so na Mami mfango da muna mingma wo players na omo entimi enyina mu nsi akan from Kotoko and the reason why omo entimi ensi akan mami mfanfra brand and the Andrews in team menu out onya available because of cars accumulation. Abranti enya 3 yellow cards ebe affected guy na enti suspension and Abranti entimi emfa nyina mu ensi akan emfa makrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and me kind to when him say Abranti na say the episode before this me kind amount say Abranti entimi anya full training not because we pra but na bia ABB and anti any information I gather na say Abranti e cars yellow cars ebe affect na wontimi nyina mu nsi akan emfa makrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Abranti adini ede Lord Amwa and so enye fit on your ready on your available for the game still now on recover Wisdom Basi Fernando and so and recover from the injury Abranti adini Eddie Joseph Ablo and so enye fully recovered for gamer ebe koson Peter Amidou Aqua and so enye available and Abranti adedin and so Eddie Emmanuel Corti and so enye available for selection and now youth player back home and so training grounds and no sounds so training grounds no training or yet defender or she just number 15 Eddie Emma Kotoko omo a youth team the porcupine and as a young porcupines the Dean Eddie Nana just in number 15 ana Aisheno and omoye train nana and omoye train nana but the full name and so at the our next episode on Nemo but ni dino nana or young porcupines are also training at the macrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ogum I sure your name and trophy your co training grounds was say obobe the ometia bia na omo ameki the fans supporters of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko happy in information we and family must say coach Ogum and so I am ready omo any basiki Holy Stars gamer Oboba Kobono omo benya win the Abakrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and I didn't say nyina and so AC the amamo next episode will be the squad Ogum and the possible lineup of coach Dr. Prosper Natogum and so the era gamer on a Bosiki Holy Stars and so Ebebo Elhomidin edit Nanaba Kwame Gracious all the social media handles of course not born Nanaba Kwame Gracious na wa subscribe wa follow me na wa like me and so honum na bibia and so I come GH Live Studio subscribe to the channel so when you subscribe click on the notification button, then you pick all. Anytime I do video to be, you'll be the first person. Once I ever come video maybe now also why enjoy our man Kizito boss player. When me say I'm going also monitor niema. So the ebe ya niema also ebe to na kwan so kama. And so Justice Play is available and ready to play against Basiki Holy Stars. Share, comment, like. Na bibia enso enye kama ewo channel yi so